Let mommy get it for you. Ready? Ready? Get your baby. Can mommy play with the baby? I think that was a no. Hey, Magic, you're aggressive. It's only 6 in the morning. Let mommy see the baby. Let mommy see the baby.
What time do you get out?
Mommy want to see the baby.
What time do you get out?
Ready? Why you want to give you a baby? No! Oh! Ready? Sit. My baby! Oh. Well. You don't have to share, do you, sir? You're a little aggressive Cocker Spaniel. Can mommy play it again?